Hello everyone, my name is Leonila Olivares and I am going to introduce to you some flashcards that I've been implementing in our schedule for my daughter Sophia. So a lot of parents that have toddlers have contacted me and want to know how I'm utilizing the flashcards and how I'm reading and working with my daughter Sophia as I'm doing a lot of do-it-yourself projects. And also, a lot of my clients have asked me to teach them how to read basic skills and sight words and how to pronounce some letters of the alphabet as well. So, estas tarjetas son las que yo estoy utilizando para enseñar a mi hija Sofía, y mucha gente me ha preguntado que si puedo hacer un video cómo yo pronuncio el alfabeto y cómo yo se las introduzco a mi niña todos los días. Pongo esto en práctica en conjunto con muchas otras cosas que todo el día me lo dedico a ella cuando no estoy trabajando en lo de bienes y raíces. Entonces, déjenme empezar porque esto es para mis clientes que quieren aprender cómo utilizar el alfabeto, cómo pronunciar el alfabeto y cómo aprender a leer también. So, para todos ustedes, les dedico esto. So, this again is for all of you that want to utilize or get a sample of how I implement this with my daughter, Sophia. Okay, thank you for listening to the intro, and here we start with the alphabet. The letter A for apple. Apple is the way I pronounce it to Sophia. Apple. Bear. Bear. Cupcake. Cupcake. Dog. Dog. Elephant. Elephant. Fish. Goose. Goose. Horse. Igloo. Igloo. Juice. Juice. King. King. Mouse. Mouse. Nest. Nest. Orange. Orange. Penguin. Penguin. Quarters. Quarters. Rabbit. Rabbit. Sandwich. Sandwich. Tractor. Tractor. Umbrella. Vegetables. Vegetables. Wand. Wand. X-ray. X-ray. Yo-yo. Zebra. Zebra. So there you are. Those are the flashcards that I utilize from Scholastics, and that's how I work with Sophia, and this is how I implement the teachings to her. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.